Hello, Trent. My name is David James. Firstly, thank you for selecting me on Airtasker. I will show you how to look for the H1s and H2s in your web page and how you can edit them. Okay, so I'm going to use an example on my site. This one is highjump.club. It is a WordPress site. So I'm just going to log in and then I will show you how to look for it on the web page. Okay, so once you log in, you need to go to either the post or the pages. So I'm assuming that you're creating a new web page, so I'm just going to go to pages on the left hand side. You can go to all pages. If you're creating a new one, just go to create new. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you're creating a new page. So you just go into pages, add new. Okay, and I'll just call this test page. Now by default, this title here will become your H1. So you won't actually see it in this dashboard here, but when you press publish or if you press preview, you'll be able to see how the page will look like on the site. And then if you go into the source code, which is what I'll show you, then you'll see that it's an H1. So firstly, let's have a look here. So I'll just write a couple things. Okay, so firstly, this is just normal text. So here you can see it says paragraph. Now, if I change from this tab to this tab, it is just in normal text. And I'll just show you in the preview. So this is how it will look like on the web page. It comes up normally. And then this one is the title of the page, which is also a heading. So what you can do, you can look for the source code. So go to view source. I'm on a Mac, but if you're on a desktop, you can do the same thing. So normally it's right click, and then you look for where it says view page source. And then what you can do, just if you're on a Mac, press Command F. If you are on a desktop, hit Control F. So that will allow you to search for something and just put H1. Actually, I'm just going to put the tag just to make it quicker. So, so that is the H1. So here, now I can see that this is the h1 tag. And this one is the opening of the tag. This one's got a CSS, but usually the h1 tag will look like this. Okay. So if you want to add more headings into your WordPress, all you do, you just select the text, you click on this, and then you can select heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3, and so on. As an SEO, I would personally recommend that you only keep the heading here, so the heading 1 here, H1 here, and then anything that's in the paragraph, anything that's within this section, you add it as an H2 or an H3, H4, so on. Just don't put the H1s in this. So I will select this one as an H2. I'll select this one as an H3. And then if I click onto text, you can see that, you can see that it's got the tags here. So H2 tag, H3 tag, and so on. So now if I go to preview again, I'm just going to reload this, and now it's displaying the tags. So that's the H2, this is the H3, and then if I click on this and go back and make it the source, view the page source, again do define, you put in the tags. This one's, I'm going to look for the H2 now, and there it is. And then if I want to look for the H3, then here it is. And that's how you put the headings into your WordPress site. So if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. This is just how you do it. So just for a recap, once you put the put in your page title, this will usually become the default H1 tag on the web page, and then you can add your headings into here. I'll just save this as a draft because I've shown you it in a web page, but it is actually exactly the same in the web page post. So I'm not sure what things you have in your WordPress site, but I've got a post, which is the blog post. I've got the web pages, so that's normally where you talk about your products or services or what type of business you're doing. And then you've got a product section because I use WooCommerce. But no matter what you use, you can do exactly the same thing. So if I go to add new in a post, it is exactly the same format. And you just put in your title here. And then write what you want. and then you just add in the headings. And then if you're going to add products, it's the same thing. So hopefully this will help you and you'll understand exactly what you want with the headings. But if there's any questions I haven't answered, just send me a message and I will try to do my best to clear things up for you. I hope you found this helpful. All right, thank you. Where is it? Oh, there.